This 2023 East to West Della Terra 312BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new East to West is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a silver birch interior, sleeps 12, refrigerator, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, LP detector, water heater, stove top burner, oven, awning, smoke detector, skylight, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 East to West Della Terra 312BH is 8,839 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.